So now let's see how we can work around with Geodesign Domes plugin inside of Blender. So to generate out Geodesign Domes, first of all, I need to go around into Edit, then I need to go to Preferences right here. So once you scroll down right here, you can see that under Add-ons right here, you can see that Add Mesh Geodesign Domes is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that you can access up domes by pressing Shift A on your keyboard, and under Mesh, you can see the Geodesign dome right here. So once you click on this, then what happens is that you get various options right here. You can increase out the radius right here and so forth, squeeze it out, and here's the domes right here. You can go around, change around the parameters right here, and that is how it works. You can change around the frequency of the dome as well, increase around the detail of the dome as well. That is how it looks. You can go around for the dual look as well, just like this. You can add in formulas right here, super formulas, and change out how this looks. So you can see that you can create something like a structure. So all you got to do is experiment around with the settings right here. So you got like different views right here. You got the views right here. You can go around, change the location right here as well. So on the top, you can see that right now, this is the menu. You can go for faces over here as well. You can go for struts right here. You can go for hubs right here and so forth, and change the look how you like it right over here. So you can go around right here and choose whatever you like as well. So let me just go around, delete this. I'm going to press Shift A, and then I'm going to generate out the dome right here, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So I'm going to restore that to default right here, and here this is the object. You can go for cylinder right here, you can go for a torus right here, and you can see that you can increase up the geodesigns right here. Like you can have the gaps right here, as you can see, and you can have many different things right here. You can have radius right here and so forth. So you got like a parabola right here, and there you go. So this is what you have. You can increase this out, you can go scale this out right here and so forth. So that is how you can work around with the Geodesign Domes plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.